Jason's taking us on a tour of the farm. We're going to find out where all the activities will be today.
So this area is where we're going to do the paper airplane.
Okay.
They signed over here for it.
Okay.
Yeah, so that way's the paper airplane. That way is the paper airplane area. And then Nerf gun shooting targets are these 3 boards here. And then that's where we're going to do the Nerf guns, and the Nerf gun is below that. And then over here, it just says what we'll be doing. The skeet shoot, paper airplane center, Nerf gun shooting targets. That one.
Okay.
And if you head over here, the entrance sign is right here.
Very nice.
And then
This is the Nerf gun setup?
Yep. That's for paper airplanes over there.
Oh.
These are actually, yeah, for paper airplanes. The big board ones.
What you doing, Nate? Where's Jason? Inside the camper?
sit, Pappy. Pappy, sit. Sit down, Pappy. Pappy, sit. Go.
Nice. I didn't know you were training them.
Doggy, wait till I float. Pappy, sit. Stay.
And you stay there.
Don't bite it.
And you stay.
Pappy, sit down.
Good, dude. Stay there.
Sit. Stay. And go.
Nice.
Drop it. I set up all the targets, Dad.
I see them. They look good.
Stay. Yeah, that one's 10. That's 25. That's 50.
That's for the paper airplane?
Yeah, no, this is areas for the. That's for the paper
Okay.
airplane. That's for the Nerf guns.
Nerf guns, okay. Try to hit the targets.
Yeah. Either so like the Nerf guns are on the boards, so like drop it. You're going to be shooting right here.
Okay.
So if you shoot and your bullet gets here, gets like on it or over. If it gets on it or like below,
That's 10
that's
points?
10 points.
Okay.
But if it gets over or on this one, it's 25.
Okay.
And then if it gets over 25, or on the 50 or over 50, that's 50.
Okay. That's
I
going to
don't
be fun.
know. I don't think anybody will get the bullet exactly on 50.
That'd be pretty amazing.
I don't think it's going to get on 50, but I do think some people will get past 25.
That would be pretty amazing.
But it's crazy if it gets over the 50. If you're standing right there, it gets over that 50. Dad, watch this. Yeah, because you're standing right there.
Wow, good job.
It's really fun.
He just goes
Man.
up and
And
catches
also
it like,
watch
nope.
this.
You and Pappy might need to get in some competitions.
Also watch.
Okay.
Wait. Wait. It's not going to be going down on this. Sit down. Sit.
On the other, are you a magician? Oh my goodness.
And you can also do it with this foot. You can also do it with this foot. It's not going to go down on this foot. It's going to sit. But the easier way is if you put that and then back. Back.
That's crazy.
Sit. Happy sit.
Caught that one. Nice work.
Happy. Ready? Hey. Drop it. Happy, drop it. Sit. Pappy, sit.
25, 50, and 10. And I had a 5 too.
Wait. Go.
I think it was 55 then.
Get it?
Cock it and try it again.
Got that clown right. Have you shot this yet? No. What is this? 50 cal? Good? Yep. Fire in the hole! Wow. You did.
Just you're getting too far over the barrel. You hit something? Powder. Nice. Ready? Yep. Okay. That's a good shot.
Yeah.
I got that one.
Derek and I are both from North Branch, and his parents, we have
So are we doing this one over here?
Yeah, we're going to do a paper playing area over here. I have the sheet and the trophy.
Okay. Ooh, that looks nice.
You've been doing that already?
Okay. All right, Blake, give it a shot. Just chuck it up in the air. Just up in the air, just to see what happens. It says straight up as hard as you can. Probably the heavy sides in the front. Yeah. Maybe we need to paper clip it closed.
Looked like a seagull.
Yeah, but that's kind of a good idea.
Here, Jason, you want to
paper
videotape
clip
while I
closed,
try to fly it?
Yeah.
You're really going to have to play the wind.
Oh, it glided. I have some paper clips. Do you want me to get one and we can paper clip it?
Ready?
Here, you hold that.
Where did he go?
That's where you stand for Nerf. Who's that?
Anybody shoot him? Like, will yours go through the target?
I got it.
Probably not.
Try. I want to get 50.
I got in the number 10.
You got the number 10?
Yeah.
Okay, and I got a 10 so far. Who's got one?
My plan is.
What do you got? Shoot it through a hoop.
Okay.
Shoot it through any hoop. Okay, let me know what you got.
Got 5.
Did you get a 5? Okay, Anna's got 5 now.
Hard because it went like
Oh.
and stuff.
Where?
It is? Okay.
Okay, we got a 0 for Dave so far.
Okay.
I got your score sheet here. How's Charlotte doing? Did she get any?
No.
It went through 5. Charlotte, throw it through the 5. Oh, you want the high numbers.
Say, we
the
need
high
a
numbers.
50.
Nice.
50 or nothing.
Oh, 25, Charlotte. 25, Charlotte. 25. Good job.
girlfriend.
Nice work, baby.
Good job.
You did it. You got it going?
You got it going?
Watch.
Watch, Mama got it.
Blake.
Blake, she
Watch.
got it going.
Almost got me.
It worked. Very cool.
Thing will take you out.
I got 10.
Oh, too big, but that's okay.
I got 10.
You got a 10? Nice work.
This would take some real skill.
I almost got 10. Right in the house.
Whatever.
Nate, do you need a paper clip to hold yours together?
Oh,
25 for Nate.
25 for Nate. Woohoo! You have an obstacle course?
It's a paper airplane
I got
course.
25.
On a windy day, you gotta be a really good flyer.
I got 25.
Woo! Nate, another 50.
25?
Good job. Oh, Anna. You get points for that? They got stuff.
Yeah, you should.
You should?
You should get
Woo!
half.
Number 50. Nate, you're amazing with that. Go through the 50, Blake. Good girl. We're down here. All right. Practice. Oh, get it, girl. Now we got, who's going first? All right, you get another turn, Anna.
Wait, so what now?
Who's keeping score?
That was my turn.
Oh, 5 points for Charlotte. Try to go again, Nate.
So the 2 you make are the points that you get?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can keep going until you get 2.
Oh. Mama.
Oh, it's okay. Try a different plane. Try that other one over there.
No, that one has a bent
Oh, okay.
too. It's called planes.
Oh, 50 for Nate.
I don't know if that counts.
All right. Push it all the way. There you go.
Oh, it came out.
All right. Whose turn is it now? Whoa, that wind. Can you do it from the other way? Nate, maybe you have to stand on the other side and throw them towards us. Throw them towards us. Maybe that'll help. The wind's like not in your favor.
I'm trying to get
50 is good. Oh, okay. So 2 50s for Nate. If you get it, you don't do it again. Did you get a 25?
Yeah, 25.
Stand a little
That was
farther
10.
back. Oh, a 10
for
too.
Nate.
Okay. So 75, 85.
85.
Jason, you got to do it.
No. Why not? You can borrow Nate's plane. He's probably like Nate's just one.
Oh, 25 for Charlotte.
It has like really wide.
It's got. Do you want to borrow some Nate's maybe?
You could borrow Nate's, yeah. Or we could
Try yours for when you
cut to 10. All right, tell
Nate. Yeah. You can borrow Nate's.
Charlotte got 10 or 25.
Oh, Charlotte, you're just listening to there. Oh, did that go?
You got 10.
Oh.
Oh, nice.
Close anyway. Okay. Now whose turn? Is Anna going to throw through the big ones? Yeah. Anna, you want to throw through the big ones, the big hoops? No.
They're worth a lot of points. You and Charlotte try the hoops. They're worth a lot of points.
You can do this one, Anna, right here. It's 25 points. Ooh, right through. Yeah, get it, girls.
25, Charlotte, Anna.
Okay. Now try the 10s.
You got it. Charlotte got one.
Try the 10.
Anna.
Ooh, good job, Charlotte.
Now you got to do the 50, the big
Go.
one.
It's your sister Brian.
Woo! Get out of there. Nice work. Come on.
150,
Do
Anna.
it, Charlotte. Get it through there.
Yeah.
Yay, Charlotte. Good job. Everybody did so good.
Wow, everybody shot everything.
That's
Are you
everything.
get me?
Everybody gets one of these.
Everybody take a candy.
Take a candy. And
Participated.
bracelet. I already have one. You already have one?
There's chocolate candies and other
I got
candies.
candy.
Oh my goodness. And there's a chocolate candy too.
Mom, I like these.
Yeah? Yeah, those are. Yeah, you can get that and candy.
What?
You can get candy too.
I got.
Yeah, you can get these and these.
Oh, now I just want these.
Why not?
I just want candy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get it, girl.
Does anybody want a bracelet? I already got one. Okay.
We have a tie. So, right now there's a tie. It's a tie. So right now what we have to do is we have to roll the dice. And whoever gets the highest dice number actually walks home. So, my tie is among. We've got Nathan. What color dice would you like? I'm sorry, what? Blue.
Of course.
He's going to have a blue one. What color dice would you like, Blake?
The ties between Blake and Nate.
Yes.
I also like grape.
Yeah, because it was a tie.
Who tied between who?
Oh, Blake and Nate.
Blake and Nate. Oh boy.
It went between the
I think you
clipboard.
should arm wrestle.
Oh, I win.
Alright. Dark pink, kind of like pink. Is that good to you? And Nate, you want blue? And what other color? Dark blue?
If we were walking on the field edge, you'd see it, but it's a little farther in. When it's,
Two light
the
blues.
leaves are off.
You got a 2. You guys got to roll them. And whoever gets the highest takes the trophy home.
I got to do some more trimming by that other boy.
I have at least
Nate got 6.
What did you get?
Nate
2.
got 6.
Nate, you got the trophy and it's amazing.
Congratulations!
Woo! Nice work. Now, did everybody get their candy?
There were brownies.
Oh. Why don't you do a practice throw?
Yeah,
and show 'em
definitely
where
a
it's going?
practice.
I think everybody should get one practice.
I got a lot.
Get one practice.
You make it seem like his throws are all going to go in the same spot.
Did you
At
see
least
it?
the general same thing.
Well, they want to make sure their gun goes off, right?
Take the
Here it
safety
goes.
off
All right, here we go.
before he throws.
Yeah, I take it off and then say pull.
Okay. Did anybody yell
Yeah.
pull? I
Put
was
the
waiting
safety
for
off
somebody to
and
yell
then say
pull.
This was a practice.
I'll try to get this one a little flatter.
Somebody
Oh,
should
okay.
say it.
There you
Probably
go.
helps.
The shooter says pull. That was close,
Oh, close the nose, guys.
Hang on, Derek. You got
Was that real? Was that real? That was counting right there? That was? Okay. I'm only allowed one shot, aren't I?
No, keep going. You got 2 more.
So you
You
say
can shoot as
pull.
many as you want.
Yes.
They throw.
No, you can shoot
Yeah,
as many
one
times as you
shoot.
want. Hey, Trace, we're shooting.
After you
What's up?
say pull.
I don't know. I haven't done this since I
You
was
don't
about-
just get one. You can
Yeah,
have
but
more
you'll
than one
watch
shot.
the. You don't look at your gun. Just look at the
Look at the
play.
thing.
I think you're. I don't know. I think you can shoot more than one.
I'm going to put those into a big thing with candles.
It only counts
So I
as
think they're
one
okay just to bring back like
Right.
they are.
target. You know how to shoot twice.
Oh,
you
perfect. Thank you. Bye. Okay.
There we go.
can. Bring it back, Goose.
Oh, Goose is getting it.
Goose is getting it.
Last
Good job, Goose. We got one more. Oh. Okay. Now we got Tiffany and Derek's throwing.
It is a good
All right,
trophy.
here we go. Good
Don't
luck,
shoot
Tiff.
your dog,
You can do
Tiffany.
this. This is your practice shot. Don't forget to yell pull. I love hearing that.
I have to yell it?
Yeah.
That's when you let him know he's going to pull
You do a double.
when you're ready.
This is the practice. This is your first
Safety's
practice.
off.
Yep. Do I have to cock it or no?
Go.
Okay.
Ready?
Straight up.
Tiffany!
She's like, oh.
She didn't even know where it was. She's like, where is it?
And somebody didn't want to shoot. She's sandbagging here.
Start that one.
Derek, you're gonna have to take her duck hunting with you now.
I got that on camera,
That
right?
one you gotta
Yes,
snap
I
That
did.
camera.
I think the clay was in the
It doesn't
camera.
throw
It's hard
it
to
good
see.
easily.
She's ready.
Oh, yeah, you gotta snap
Fake,
it hard.
faked you out.
Yeah, no fake
Ready?
out.
Oh.
Oh,
That was a tough one.
Oh,
That was a good one.
oh, somebody's going hunting.
Do we got one more?
She's got one more.
yeah, because she had her practice.
She had her
and then now
practice.
This is her third.
Ready?
Oh, shoot again. Nope, nope. Okay.
This one throws it.
Ready?
Almost. That's your practice.
Thought you said you didn't want practice.
Now he does.
Now he
that was
does.
a practice.
Ready?
Pull.
Ooh, got one.
Nice.
Pull.
That was sorta.
Sorta.
Okay, so two. My last two shows.
We have instant replay here, but still, you gotta
I know, we need somebody with binoculars to.
And then Dave's
Be
up
watching.
and somebody pulls for Dave. Throws for Dave.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Woo!
Nice.
Nice.
Oh.
I don't close now. I just point to.
Both eyes open.
Nice one.
That was your practice.
I don't shoot a shotgun with a rifle. It's more like
Pull.
Okay.
Pull.
Nice one.
Pull.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I missed it. What happened?
He got it.
Pull.
Two.
There we go.
Hey, Vince, she's not gonna shoot that.
Oh boy, that's a big bullet. It was. Okay, watch your mom. She's about ready to blast one.
Pull.
That's a wobbler.
I'm not shooting at that.
Let's try that again. There you go. Ooh. Close. That was your practice.
There's the practice.
Mom.
Pull.
Boom.
No, who's back? Did Casey come back? Pull.
She's not going to shoot.
Oh, she's not going to shoot. Woo! Louise. We're going to do Vince next, okay?
Ready?
Bob's buddy from North Korea never misses a skeet shot.
There's your practice.
Golf shot.
Pull.
Right, isn't that what they say about Oh, that schmo over there?
Pull.
You shot at 18 at golf.
Yeah.
Nice.
He quit playing 'cause it was
Last of
just
that
too
one.
boring.
Yeah. Too easy.
Pull. He also never farts.
Nice work.
PhD in every
One more? One more.
scientific discipline.
Pull.
By the time he was 12.
Oh, you can turn it. Yep.
All right, pull. Practice. Good job. Okay. So I don't need to do
Nope.
OC.
You're ready to shoot.
Okay.
It's an auto.
All right, pull.
Bad
Yeah,
throw.
that doesn't count.
See, you don't have to shoot at them.
Boo this man.
There you go. No, that was pretty good.
Use the other throw.
Alright.
Oh, you were
Pull.
using the one way.
That's good.
So close.
You got one more.
One more.
Got out there in a hurry.
good.
All right, one more. There you go.
Nice.
Nice one.
It's hard to see on the
Pull.
camera if they get them or not.
Oh, nice.
Unless they really like poof out.
Pull.
Ooh, nice one. Somebody's been practicing. Is that your practice?
That's practice.
Practice. Got it.
Pull. Good. Pull.
That was a nice flyer.
Pull.
Close, but no cigar.
You got one more.
One more, you got it.
All right, pull.
Ooh, almost.
Nice shot. Pull. Nice.
Good
job.
All right, we got a contender. Pull.
Well, that's okay. We'll give him
bragging
a box.
rights.
Honorable mention.
First,
High.
not
Way high.
two more players. Shoot for
Shoot under the clay, Bob.
Yeah, ears are gone.
I got to swing through it too. Oh yeah.
Pull.
Eyes are gone now.
There you go.
Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
You're on the board.
Bob's on the board.
Woo! It's your last one.
Pull.
Almost.
All right.
She higher, lower, what's she doing, guys?
Oh, I didn't see the watt on that one.
Ammo. Gotcha.
Pull. Pull.
Okay.
High.
Hey, Lori,
Yep.
just a suggestion. Try to shoot before when it starts dropping. It's hard.
Yeah.
So shoot while it's still
Try to hit it
climbing.
while it's still going away. Once it starts.
You're not gonna hit it. It's going low. You gotta watch your dots. Oh, well, better luck next time. That was high on that one too. Get Holmes go. Well, better luck next time.
I was trying to make it a little easy, but it kind of the wind took it.
All right, we gotta shoot off between Ron and Jeffrey Jr. Woo! Or Jeffrey.
5 plays, right?
Eventually.
Okay. Pull.
Nice one.
So are we doing best of 5?
Yep.
We have to do it again.
Pull.
Nice. 3 out of 3. No pressure.
Pull.
Oh!
You didn't even hit that one.
Dun, dun, dun.
Still going to do 5, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For a chance at 4.
Pull.
I know. She really screwed. Got it. All right. Where are you guys?
Redemption.
Uncle Rod's got to get all 5.
That's just some
All
pressure.
5. Okay.
Which way are you throwing it?
Hold that
Okay.
way.
Give him a hard one.
Pull.
Use that yellow one.
Go.
Okay. 4 more.
Pull.
No, you're
Take the rest of them
You
now.
still got 3
I got
shots.
the rest of them. Because then we could go
If he
again.
misses another one,
Jeffrey wins. Yeah, if you miss one more, then it's over.
If you miss and he misses, then you're still winning.
right? Yeah.
That feels good. Yeah.
Pull. It's over.
Second place is Ronald. What a welcome back to America. First place is.
That was pretty good, Jeffrey. All except for that one you
Second place
missed.
is okay. We want to give you your trophies.
Thanks. All
Good job.
That's a prestigious award. I know.
Very prestigious award. Oh, yeah. Look at Mom.
Hang this with pride.
Wait. It's got to look official, though.
Oh, official. Get your guns.
There you
Right,
go.
exactly.
Cherry.
Get your guns.
Still finding uses for that cherry.
I was just
Oh,
going to tell you.
crack.
That's
Okay.
still some of that cherry.
There you go.
Smoking.
Woohoo! There we go.
Block
There's
them
our.
so wait when they're
There's the money shot right there.
Okay, wait. I was trying not to block them. They're in the bag on the table.
You're like Russian